Hello guys, welcome back. This is Raheem from Reviews and Chronicles. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to unbox a JBL Bluetooth headset Infinity by Raheem. Let's quickly unbox and see what do we have inside. The model of the headset is Glide 120. MRP on this is 3000 rupees, but we get this on Amazon at 1400 rupees. That's a great deal. Let's quickly unbox now. We get a user manual, the controls of the Bluetooth and everything. Yeah, this barcode is very responsible for having our warranty, so we need to scan this barcode to get the warranty. So inside the box we have a charging cable, we have extra buds, and the Bluetooth headset. So guys, let's talk about the specifications of this headset. Upon full charge, we can play up to 7 hours of audio playback for this. The build quality of this headphones is just awesome. A complete tangle free headphone. Both the earbuds have a magnetic connection. They have the magnet so they can stick each other while you are not using it. It's good for the security of the headset. So guys, this is a charging port. This is the mic. This is a power on button, audio plus and minus. Now let's quickly switch on this Bluetooth and connect and see how it gets connected. Long press for 3 seconds and find the Bluetooth. So we have Infinity Glide 120 connected. So once we get this connected, we have this blue light blinking here. Now let's play a song and see how the quality of the voice is. So guys, the sound quality of this is just awesome, and even the bass of this is very great. This is how the JBL is famous for its bass. So we can use this product for hours together as it's very lightweighted, and it can be used for jogging, gymming, and for official calls as well, and the mic works very great. For the price range of 1400 rupees, this is a great headphones, and this headphones will not gonna disappoint you after the buy. Well, that's it for today guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. This will not only motivate me to make some more stuff, but also helps this channel to grow. Until then, take care, have a good rest of the day, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.